It's raining.
Yeah, you know what? Hey, stop for a second. I think the next gut that we do needs to be at the beach because this weather is for the birds.
Yeah, but we don't live at the beach, and that'd be really hard to do.
I would live at the beach to remodel something.
Okay.
I mean, let's go, right?
Yeah. I need a soda.
But also, like, can you speak to this a little bit? Because,
Yeah.
like, when you're working for somebody and they're like, where have you been?
Right.
Why is the job not getting done? There's a lot of things out of your control.
That's right. So yesterday I spent most of the day on outside stuff because we had a good day. But today it's raining. So sometimes you have to save the inside stuff for that, depending on what the week dictates. The week dictates what you're going to do, honestly.
Yeah, and I also just want people to know that construction is...
That was Memo.
Okay. Construction is a hard business and you can't control a lot of the elements, specifically the weather, specifically things that you uncover in the project you're doing. And
We're about to see a big part of that right now.
Yeah. Okay, this looks better than it did. I mean,
That's what the plan was.
yeah, but it's almost like it's half of the house that you just had to tear
Well,
out.
we just had to keep taking back until we could find where it would work. And luckily, for some guy in the 1950s, I don't know why, they put these two support girders that they never used. Well, that support block right there,
Yeah.
and there's one over there. They never used them. Well, we're using them now because we're going to
that
back.
works out great.
It set that double. We only had to cut the joist right here, and we can rebuild the entire thing over there. And all the bathroom walls are gone now.
Yeah,
So we're going to rebuild all the walls after we get the floor done. Got to start from the ground up.
Fun time.
Be real careful when you have your tank.
This is like a Jenga puzzle. Oh my gosh. Hey, Pat. Are there mice down there?
Oh, sure. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah. But it's a nice big cave for them to live in, and that's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pat, the lamp is still there.
Yeah, the top's gone off of it. What happened?
I don't know. Memo, what happened to the top of the lamp?
Is it?
Why?
They're using it for a light.
Oh, you're... Look at you guys. That's so smart. There you go.
So this band for the house, all of this is rotted out, all the way down, including the bottom plate on this. So that's like a main support for the back wall of the house, and it goes all the way down. See it?
Yeah. Oh, it's rotted completely all the way through there.
So
yeah.
this is to make temporary support across here to hold this weight up while we tear all of this out from underneath.
Amazing.
Got it?
I secretly love when Memo works on our projects and his crew because I walk into this amazing music. Makes me like want to dance, right? Are you taking our lamp?
I was just checking it out. It's really cool.
I may not go back there. I may maybe want down here because I may shift this whole thing down.
Does that window look like sideways to you?
It probably is.
Right now, I need to take off for fix the door.
Okay. All right. Check it out. You got to cut the coffin? You're just going to beat on it with a hammer. Now, that's fine.
Oh my gosh. Look at you. You don't need no stinking hammer.
Every day.
What did Jeremy say?
Memo just took that window out with his hands and no gloves.
He's a man of measure.
He's a what?
That's standard, you know, standard around here. Yeah.
What are you doing?
Dancing to the bumpy music, man.
Let's talk about that hat you're wearing.
It's dusty. I'm sorry.
Brave Sam.
In fact, I'd like to inform everybody that the Blue Jays won last night.
Okay. I talked you into it. We're gonna vault the front room. It's exciting.
It is, but it's just and we changed the back here too because it's not going to work. It doesn't have enough room for the kitchen and a dining room.
That's
We're
true.
going to add a bedroom, which makes more sense because that's relatively cheap. That sounds weird. Bathrooms and kitchens cost a lot. Bedrooms really don't. It's just a box.
Yeah.
So it's cheap to add that.
So
on.
we can vault the front room because then when people walk in the front door, it's like amazing. It's spacious.
It'll be amazing. He's got to get back here.
Wait, you're going to lunch? Taking them to lunch?
Taking them to lunch. Take my guys.
Why don't
to
I
lunch.
get go? I don't get taken to lunch.
You can go to lunch, but you're not going to be here today. You're going somewhere.
You get the dinners and the vacations.
That's right.
and all
That's
the other
right.
good stuff.
That's right. So, about those things that happen when you that just show up. So I stepped on this, and this is moving all the way down. So the house was added on here years ago, and they just broke it right here. And the problem is that this is now offset by about a ½ inch.
Yeah, like the floor is
It is. So we've got to take this floor now back to here and take all of this up to figure out what's going on in there to get this floor level right. Because you got to get the floor level right. Nothing else works if you don't.
Right.
So,
I think the idea is to tie in some 1950s, 1960s kind of motif, like a vibe with the new,
Yeah.
right?
Yep.
And I'm super pumped about vaulting that living room ceiling, just gonna tell you. I think that's gonna be really a big selling point.
it'll be cool. It'll be ready for spring.
Spring 2026. But I just want to go on record and say that this is the non-glamorous side of remodeling a house or doing any kind of construction project. It doesn't move fast. It's very methodical. It takes a lot of time.
And you always run into stuff you didn't expect.
As that floor that they're working on right now. And that's taken probably close to a week to tear out, to reevaluate, and now they're rebuilding some of the girders and the structure.
And I had a change of heart right in the middle of it, so that kind of screwed things up too.
Well,
Yeah.
that's so sad.
Yeah.
Where did this come from?
It showed up, but it's
I mean-
Halloween, and it lived its life in this house, and it wanted to have one more Halloween. It's a
Where did
it's
it-
a knit
Where did it come from?
pumpkin.
It's
I don't know.
crochet.
I don't know.
Where did you find it?
It showed up. It just showed. I think it was in some of the stuff, and it rolled out, and it wanted to have itself one more.
May need some hand sanitizer
Yeah.
after that. And therein lies the things that you uncover that you can't tell a homeowner until you get into it, that this is what's going on.
That's right. A lot of times you just have to tell them, you say, this is what I think it's going to cost, but when you start a remodeling project, be open to the fact that there's going to be other issues.
Yeah.
So,
I mean, and I love doing old houses. I love the remodel process. I love bringing it back to life, but that's a real situation that you encounter when you take that on.
yeah, I just noticed you had a Yankees hat on.
What's wrong with that?
I hate the Yankees. I'm a
Oh.
Reds fan.
Okay, but the two things can coexist.
They can. Right now, go Dodgers. That's
Yeah,
what
right. I'm going to say go Dodgers, yeah. This weather is for the birds. It's disgusting here. I don't like rain and cold, and I think
it's almost November.
I know.
It was 80 degrees last weekend. I mean,
I know, but it's gross right now.
when
and
it
like,
turns into
it's
fall
just-
in Tennessee, it turns into fall like really quick. So.
But this is really hard for construction. That's all I got to say.
It can be the outside stuff like this that causes major problems trying to dig and trying to grade and it just and also it causes a mess when you're going from this into a house that's finished because you're tracking all your mud in. It's a pain. I'll give you that. Rainy
Yeah, so
weather
hey,
hurts you.
The next time we remodel a house, can it be in a nicer climate? Wait, don't go anywhere. Wait, where are you going?
It can't be somewhere we don't live.
I can move there while we remodel it, especially if it's at the beach.
Gonna get your general contractor's license while you're at it. We're
Yes.
gonna do all this by Zoom.
Yeah. Oh, we can do it by Zoom, right? That's the new way since COVID.
I guess so.
Okay.